Guys, so this is the quick start tutorial for our series on TextBlob. This is all the tutorials we are going to make on TextBlob. So on this video, we are going to go on to the first point of our quick start tutorial. So we are going to deal on TextBlobs are like Python strings. As you all know, the aim of creating this video on the TextBlob is to have a clear understanding of how TextBlob is used to process the text in natural language processing. So TextBlobs are like Python strings, definitely, but now TextBlobs have some more additions than the Python strings because it's provide an API to process our text data to more advanced ways more than the Python string. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to on the TextBlob we created on our first video during the installation, the installation of TextBlob. Can maybe define that as the part of the first video. Let's copy this, yeah, like that. Then this we can define this as the first point was installation. Yeah, so the next point is the text blobs are like Python strings. So in the previous video we had created a text blob, but now on this video on demonstrating the text blob are like Python strings, we are not going to use this text blob because it's somehow complicated, maybe to someone who is starting off on the text blob. So we are going to use the simple strings, like name equals to text blob, and like maybe James Parker. So this string we can use it like the text blob name. We can use it like the Python string. For example, we can slice it. We can use it in slicing. For example, we can print the slicing of the name, like up to index 3. This means that we are going to print up to index number 3, like 0, 1, 2, 3, up to Jamie. Yes, you can see the output of our program. That's writing, and definitely that's how we normally do in Python strings. The other thing we can do is maybe modifying, as we always do with the Python strings. We can modify, maybe print the name in lowercase dot lower, or maybe upper name dot upper. Let's see, and that is it. Lowercase and uppercase. We can do more on the strings, maybe like concatenate. You can maybe combine the names. Maybe let's define name 2 will be text blob. Can call this one John. So we can concatenate the names like with the normal Python strings. So name 1 plus name 2. Let's print that. Yeah, James Parker and John. That's what we normally do in Python strings. Maybe you can just print the last one, the format, how we normally format the strings, like maybe combining the string with an integer. You can maybe print name James Parker is, then you put that there, for age is Dutch, yes, is maybe 12 years old. Then you can use the format. Then you can pass in the age. Let's see that James Parker is 24 years old. Let's print that. Yeah, consider James Parker is 24 years old. And that's all about the TextBlob like Python strings. But now, the next videos, we are going to see more of advanced on TextBlob. What you can do with Python strings. So TextBlob will provide, it's like an API that will give us more powers to work on the strings. And that's what we are going to see on our next videos. Thank you.